Hi there, Jason here for the Agbayon channel and TMS Talks. Look what we have here, check it out. This is what remains of our ancestral house in this area. Nothing but a cabin. Let's check it out. This spot used to stand our ancestral house. It was a tall house, wooden house. And hey, we even still have our source of water. The well is still here. Come check it out. Just be careful with the camera. There. Okay, used to get water from here, my mother. And so family decided to erect a sort of a cabin in the area. But due to the series of storms that hit Bicol in 2020, it looks like even the cabin is damaged. See? Oh, come on. Maybe this needs a little work and cleaning. And nice spot for camping and for checking the properties in the area. This is the back area, backyard. I used to visit here when I was a small boy. Look at the interesting trunk of a tree. The place is really accessible from the road. Seems like there has been no repairs lately due to the storms. Anyway, it's nice to be here. I hike a lot, but I haven't been here for a while. Say around a year or so, even more than a year. So this is a pili tree. It's a neighboring property. There. And of course a farmland somewhere all around that belonged to my grandfather. Well, I imagine myself camping here perhaps some other time. The wood, the timber that used to be here, they're goners. For a while I thought the timber, this timber It's actually barayong, but it's not. So this is just a makeshift cabin. You can hear the sounds of vehicles passing by because the area is not really secluded. But this particular item here, the well, is really what? It's really interesting. We used to fetch water here. Yeah, we used to. I think there is a source of water here. But then still a nice place for its purpose. Maybe I should visit this place more often and actually try to camp, you know. And this shelter here requires a bit of work. Some cleaning up. There used to be a place here where you know you could actually cook. I remember my mother telling me about this house, this area, that there were what? Encantos. Encantos would throw sand at them at night. So for our Encanto friends here, please bear with your visitor, your young visitor. Well, not so young anymore, but remember me. I hope you do. Nice. There. Let us be guarded by the beautiful carry that I have right now. Bicol Ginunting. How about you? You have any idea what's a nice thing to do for an afternoon like this? Maybe I could look for pili fruits, etc., etc. When I was a kid, I would come here with my air gun and actually hunt. My grandfather's property is quite expansive. It's an expanse of land, and I should actually walk. I should actually walk around. You know, but my primary target for today is to actually check this cabin here. One of my uncles, well, actually there's only one right now, the other one died already, occasionally visits this area every weekend, I guess. Oh, this is a nice place for camping. It's flat. But it's quite near the road, so I'd rather have an area that is a little bit more off grid. Maybe somewhere within the property, somewhere there. There, going further, farther there. Yeah, you can see motorcycles. Yeah, I like this bolo here. I like looking at it. Nice. Alright. Join me again next time for another episode of Outdoors in Hiking. Perhaps soon we will camp and actually cook something here. Thank you for joining me. And remember, the pen is mightier with a sword.